Hi, I'm Andy Retz. I'm the Automotive Repair and Refinish instructor here at Lorenzo Walker Technical College. This is my second year working in this program, and I'd like to give you a glimpse of what we do here. Our vision is to ensure that we become a strong Tier 1 automotive collision repair program. Last year was the start of a rebuild for our program. We've made a few key changes that have started us in the right direction. All of our students now come out of the program with an I-CAR Platinum Pro Level 1 certification in non-structural and refinish technician, which has put us close to 100% job placement.
My name is John. I was born in Honduras. I was raised here in Naples, Florida for 15 years. After high school, I found out about Lorenzo, and I just wanted to see what kind of things they had to offer, like trade skills, and automotive really catched my eye. You know, not everyone has the opportunity to go to college, and and for me, I didn't know what I wanted to major in, so I decided to go with the automotive collision. Now that I'm in automotive collision, I've been learning a lot. You know, 2 students are actually graduating soon, and my instructor, Mr. Retz, wants me to learn how to paint. So I'm really taking that, taking it to advantage that I can hopefully learn quick, graduate soon, get I-CAR certified. After that, maybe, work for someone, obviously, get more experience, and maybe even open my own shop.
We were lucky enough to have one of our students win the Collision Repair Education Foundation's Student of the Year Award last year, which has led to an increase in enrollment and attention to our program, because people in the community are finding out how successful our program is becoming.
Hi, my name is Jerry. I was born in Fort Myers, Florida, but actually raised in Naples, Florida. I love cars. I heard about the auto collision program, so I enrolled at Lorenzo Walker Technical College because I want to be certified, and my goal is to be the best and own my own shop one day.
A lot of people assume that all the students in Naples, Florida are wealthy. The reality is that close to 2/3 of our students in our district are on free and reduced lunch. And here at Lorenzo Walker, we're up to 83%. So yes, there are a lot of wealthy folks here in Naples who drive Mercedes and BMWs, but the families we serve are the ones those people call when they need something done. Our school is not as well funded as we need it to be, and in particular, we need help with funding to become aluminum certified and welding certified. Almost all new vehicles these days are made out of new metals, new plastics, and other new materials that require our students to have advanced new technology and skills to perform repairs with expertise. We have plans to create a special aluminum repair area sealed off from the rest of the shop to prevent cross-contamination with other metals, and we need this grant to help get us started.
Hello, I'm Yolanda Flores, Administrative Director of Lorenzo Walker Technical College. And here at our school, we have a very student-centric approach, one that takes students from a diverse variety of backgrounds and gives them an opportunity to improve their lives by participating in one of our outstanding programs, such as our Automotive Collision Repair and Refinishing program. As director of the school, one of my primary responsibilities is to secure funding that will allow our instructors to keep up with the latest technologies and the latest advances in their industry. So I wholeheartedly support our instructor, Mr. Andy Retz, in applying for this grant from the Collision Repair Education Foundation. We owe it to our students.
For this coming school year, we have put together a team of adults and high school students to begin competition at Skills USA.
Hi, my name is Flor, and I was born here in Naples, Florida, and I am enrolled in Lorenzo Walker Technical High School and Lorenzo Walker Technical College, and I am taking Automotive Service Collision Repair and Refinish. My goal is to serve our country and the United States Marine Corps. I believe auto collision will give me a head start and prepare me with skills I can use in the future.
if we can secure this grant to get our aluminum and welding certifications going, then students like John and Jerry and Floor are going to be so much more employable in our community. My mission for them is simple. Have pride in yourselves to become world-class automotive collision repair technicians. Thanks for taking the time to get to know us here at Lorenzo Walker Technical College. Come and visit us anytime.